Well, good morning. The topic of the day is why is motor vehicle insurance mandatory in India? Why is motor vehicle insurance mandatory in India? The motor vehicle insurance is mandatory in India for a number of reasons. It becomes all the more important considering the high number of motor vehicle accidents that takes place in India, and the mounting number of accidents is a figure to be concerned about. In India, as per the Motor Vehicle Act, it is mandatory that all vehicles that operates in any public space must have a motor vehicle insurance policy. Policyholders must have at least third-party liability cover even when opting for the basic insurance plans. So the third-party cover is essential in the event of an accident caused by the vehicle owner or another person driving the other vehicle. It's important to note that the vehicle insurance coverage may or may not cover damages caused by the owner. So the Indian Parliament amended the Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 that reviewed all aspects of concerning transport vehicles and was implemented on 1st July 1989. So the Act lists out the various provisions related to licenses of conductors, licenses of drivers, registration of vehicles, controlling vehicles, using permits, traffic rules, liabilities, offences, insurance covers, and penalties. So for this reason, all vehicle owners are urged to carry their motor vehicle insurance documents with them at all times. However, the question that most people often wonder about is why motor insurance mandatory, which often goes unanswered. But the question is, this life's major decision can seem daunting, akin to attempting to navigate through dense fog. That kind of situation is when every step you take feel like a risk, and there is no clear direction to follow. In the case of insurance, the haze may even be more prevalent. With so many choices and it might be rather simple to ask yourself, why do I actually need what is merely an additional cost? The complexity causes your brain to spin as you attempted to decide what is necessary. So according to Indian law, third-party motor insurance is the only type of insurance that is unquestionably required by law. Beyond this reasonable mandate, there is an extensive range of insurance options that are incredibly beneficial even if they are not needed. So even though the only legally required insurance is third-party motor insurance, it can still be beneficial to look into alternative insurance options. So in a lively nation like India, where the traffic is continuously bustling, accidents are a lamentable reality for each driver. Imagine the pressure of a mishap. Suddenly, you are gazing intently at weekly bills of repairs and clinical treatments. So it's a great deal for anybody to deal with alone. That is where the motor insurance steps in as a lifeline, giving a fundamental security net when you want it most. Motor insurance is your well-being paid when things turn out badly on the road. If you get into an accident, rather than being left with a pile of repair bills or clinical costs, your insurance steps in to assist with taking care of those expenses. It can definitely help you take the load off your shoulders. On the flip side, if you don't have insurance, those expenses hit you directly, and that can be significant financial blow. So what is more, it is not just about covering damages and medical bills. If you are at fault in an accident, you could be looking at heavy legal liabilities as well. So that is the reason India has made motor insurance a legal must-have. It's a way to safeguard drivers from not just the immediate cost but also the legal trouble that can accompany being in an accident. So here is the deal. Chapter 11 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, sections 145 to 164, makes it a must for every vehicle owner to have at least third-party vehicle insurance. This legal requirement is not simply administrative noise. It is there to protect drivers from financial headaches and to advance a more secure and capable road environment for everyone. So in India, the law only requires third-party vehicle insurance, yet there is more to the insurance game than just the fundamentals. Even though other types of insurance are not legally required, they are still really significant. Consider them additional layers of security that protect you, your dearest ones, and your business from startling monetary obstacles. Say, for example, health insurance or home insurance. Because insurance acts like a monetary buffer, catching you when life tosses curves like accidents, illnesses, or natural disasters. So enhancing legal aid and financial assurance is, while third-party car insurance is a must to cover damages and injuries to others, there are other type of insurance that give you the significant more inner harmony. They are comprehensive car insurance. It covers not only third-party liability but also damages to your insured vehicle. This type of insurance includes personal injury coverage, theft protection, and damage from accidents, giving a more complete shield compared to basic policies. Secondly, professional liability insurance. It shields experts against accusation of wrongdoing or carelessness. It is vital for dealing with the risk tied to professional services, aid and offering financial backing if legal claims emerges. So while India's law keeps us covered with mandatory third-party motor insurance for those wild roads, there's a lot more to insurance that is worth a look at. It's great to tick off that legal box, but diving into other insurance options gives you a safety net that is way more comprehensive. So from handling health hiccups to securing your home and planning for a comfy retirement, insurance is not just a checkbox, but your backstage pass to a more secure and stress-free future. Stress-free future. Because as far as the insurance in India is concerned, only this motor vehicle insurance is mandatory. But this motor vehicle insurance is still not completely mandatory. This is the minimum. Third-party liability insurance is the minimum coverage required for all vehicles that operates on public roads in India. It covers the policyholder's liability for injuries and damages to others. Secondly, employees' medical insurance as of April 15, 2020, employers are required to provide medical insurance to their employees. And starting April 1st, 2024, it will be mandatory to hold insurance policies in electronic format also. So, as far as the mandatory requirement is concerned, this is only the third-party liability insurance as per the provisions of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. And comprehensive or package policies as per your choice if you want. But the third party section is more important because in India insuring your bikes or vehicles protection is more than just a choice, it's a legal necessity. Just like safeguarding your belongings at home, having insurance for your vehicle is must. It is not just about protecting your interest but also about following the law and ensuring road safety. So why the vehicle insurance is mandatory, that you have to understand, because insurance is not just a formality in India, it is a vital shield for riders and others on road. Think of it as wearing a helmet for your safety and that of others. So while having vehicle insurance ensures that everyone enrolled can get the necessary help without financial strain in case of any mistake. It's like a safety net that keeps everyone protected and eases the burden of unexpected expenses. So vehicle insurance is every rider's responsibility, whether it is a minor scrap or a major collision. So vehicle insurance is a comprehensive shield against potential risk on road, offering twofold protection. First is legal liability. When you are out riding, accidents can happen. If you are involved in one, vehicle insurance covers legal liabilities. If you are at fault and someone else is injured or their property is damaged, your insurance will handle the legal obligations, sparing you from potential lawsuits and financial repercussions. Secondly, financial expenditure. So repairing or replacing a damaged bike can be financially draining. Bike insurance alleviates this burden by covering repairs or replacement cost in case of accidents, theft or other damages. So this ensures you can get your bike back on the road without a significant financial setback. So this aspect of the policy protects third-party liability cover. This aspect of policy protects you from financial responsibility toward third parties in case of accidents. If you are involved in an accident where someone else suffers injuries or property damage due to your vehicle, this coverage handles the resulting legal and financial obligations. It ensures that you are not left personally liable for compensation, legal fees, or other related costs, providing peace of mind on the road. So, going beyond third party liability, a comprehensive insurance policy offers broader protection for your two-wheeler or car or any kind of vehicles. It covers damages to your vehicle due to accident, theft, natural disasters, fire, vandalism, and more. This means whether it is repairing your vehicle after a collision or replacing if it is stolen or fixing damage from unforeseen events like a flood or fires. A comprehensive cover ensures you are financially secure. Your vehicle is always ready to ride. So the third party liability is the mandatory requirement as per the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 in India. All vehicles maybe of any category are subject to the mandatory insurance. As per choice, of course, you must go for comprehensive zero insurance policy because this is covering the risk or loss or damages to your vehicle also. So if you are taking the comprehensive policy, that third party liability will be automatically covered. Thank you. Thank you very much.